ჩვენი პროდუქტი ძირითადად არის მუსიკის ვიზუალიზაცია ვირტუალურ რეალობაში. პრინციპში ძალიან მარტივია, უბრალოდ იკეთებთ და ასე ვთქვათ, ხედავთ მუსიკას უკვე ვირტუალურ რეალობაში. ჩვენ შევქმნით პროგრამა, რომელიც აკეთებს მუსიკის ანალიზს real time-ში და შემდეგ უკვე გადაყავს გრაფიკაში, ასე ვთქვათ, რომ შესაძლებელი იყოს მუსიკის აღქმა სხვანაირად, გრაფიკულად.
Welcome. Hello. So, we're introducing VR Music Visualizer. Our app visualizes music in virtual reality, making music an eye-opening experience. It's best to experience because we already have a prototype. So, basically, our app visualizes music that you choose from a playlist. It analyzes music in real time and.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So it's
Or turn it down, maybe, if you turn the volume down. There you go.
So it analyzes music in real time and visualizes in virtual reality. Currently, right now, we are supporting two VR devices, Google Cardboard and Gear VR. And in the nearest future, we will support all other upcoming devices or already done on the market. As for a long-term development, we plan to create neural network-based AI to increase the music processing, user customizable sense, meditation sense, and music visualization in augmented reality with Microsoft HoloLenses.
As for the team, we are two co-founders, two software developers, and one designer. We've started several years ago, and we are people gathered around one idea. We want to make really great apps. And of course, we've already made some games and some applications. One of the applications has more than 300,000 downloads. Several have more than 100,000 downloads. They are profitable, therefore we grow.
As for commercial interest, our market is global users who love the music and who already own the Google Cardboard or Gear VR. Right now, for Google Cardboard, there are 5 million users, and for Gear VR, there is 1 million users. As for income, we will generate money by selling in-app purchases. There will be totally 10 cents. One will be free, and all other 9 will be sold each by $2. As for additional income, we will generate money by showing video ads. If users don't want to purchase the cents, they can play the 20-second demo video. But before that, they should watch the video ads.
Now, marketing, we are going to spend $14,000 on marketing, mainly on Google AdWords, paid app reviews on popular VR websites and blogs, pre-release campaigns on social network. And our customer acquisition cost for now is around $1. User feedback is very important for us. Therefore, we took one scene, rebranded it, and launched on the Play Store. In 4 weeks, it has around 3,000 downloads, and we are receiving some valuable feedback from real users. We, of course, keep an eye on our competitors. We have one on Gear VR store and 5 more on Play Store, but those on Play Store are really low-quality apps, so we already beat them with our prototype.
As for the finances, right now we need $27K to accomplish this app in 4 months with 10 cents to hire 2 additional programmers and 1 additional scene designer. As for our gross margin will be 70%, and as for long-term development, we need $500K to do the neural network-based AI that will create the music visualization more like human brain-like than mathematical algorithms. So for humans, it will be more natural, this visualization. Also to create the user customizable sense that will give users the ability to create their own graphical sense, to create one meditation scene, and to create the music visualization in augmented reality. That means people will be able to see the music in real world.
We are mainly targeting USA and other English-speaking countries for the beginning. And as a conclusion, idea is straightforward. Application is doable. We have already 2 scenes. VR applications are hot and trending. They are profitable, and profit will grow with the market. And most importantly, we are bringing music and VR together. And with our app, you can actually see the music. And we believe VR changes the world. Thank you.
Hey, well done. Well done. So you mentioned AI, artificial intelligence, as a future part of your process. Can you expand on that a little bit?
Yes. AI, that it will be built by a neural network-based AI, it's really different than standard AI. It's to give the example, it's like when music goes to the direction and you feel there should be something big in the music. Like standard algorithms can't analyze that. And with neural network-based AI, you can analyze that and do the visualizations like explosion or something like that when music will be straight on that point.
Okay.
When you feel that you should do this, and AI will know this.
It'll know that, yeah. Got it. Great, good. Other questions, feedback, comments?
So the $500,000 is to develop the next product. You don't need much money to develop the current.
Yeah, to develop this 10 cents, we already have 2, and to develop additional 8 cents and build this product, launch this product on the market. Right now, we need just 27K. But to make it bigger, and with that additions with AI, user customizable sense, meditation sense, and augmented reality, yeah, we need 500K.
And you're making the bet between VR and AR. You're saying you
No, we are not.
You want to do both.
We will do both, and for the beginning, this product, which costs not so much, is good for now. But as VR develops, as HoloLens develops, we will be able to work on it. We will be able to widen our market. With that money, we'll be able to hire a professional meditation team who will do the really good scene. It will be
So I was going to ask you about that, because the concept of sort of owning the meditation space in AR or VR, and I would argue you need to pick one of the two, that's a big deal.
Yeah, that's a bigger deal than what you were talking
But
about.
no, I mean, it's not. I'm not saying it's more or less complex than anything else you proposed. I'm saying that
It's a big market.
it's a potentially interesting market that you could own and say we're going to be the experts in that market, and we're going to do that better than anyone else. And that, when you think about the programmatic requirements for that versus the programmatic requirements for tossing something on top of a Tiesto track, totally different.
Yes.
Needs, right? Mm-hmm. It would be interesting to think about saying we're going to do this one thing, really, like we're going to be meditation, because then you start thinking about the experts in meditation and the brainwaves.
So you propose to make it a different line?
I'm saying you've got like 5 things, and I'm saying pick one.
Focus on one.
Mainly, we are focused on music visualization
today.
Right, but you've talked about meditation. You're going to hire meditation experts.
But you were talking about brainwaves and matching the natural feelings and thoughts of human beings. That's more aligned with meditation than necessarily wanting to see my music.
Yeah, and customer acquisition. Like if people know that you're the I keep wanting to say headspace. If you're the meditation app,
You get branded. Everybody wants to come to you.
I can tell all my friends about it, right?
Right.
And instead of like, there's this really cool music, and if you like this music or that music, and it's not a very powerful word of mouth thing, where if you're like, it's the best meditation thing you've ever experienced. That's interesting, and it's easier to market something like that when you're a small company, when you own one really, 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 really good thing.
Because you could do that.
So when we have it, we will think of rebranding, and so thank you for advice.
Yeah. Be patient. Do one thing well and then do more things well later.
This is our plan.
Later on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always important to get that focus and think about where your lowest friction to revenue is, because that's also very important.
Yeah, that's why we are going to make this small project first, which today is already good, because competition is not so difficult for now. And when we grow, we really want to make all those things we've talked about.
Good, good, very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
მე მგონი სათქმელი მივიტანეთ, გაიგეს, აღქმითაც აღიქვეს და განვითარების იდეებიც მოგვაწოდეს, რაც ჩვენთვის ძალიან მნიშვნელოვანი იყო.